Good morning. How are you? Fine. Very good. Very good. Now, shall we learn? Okay. I'm here to teach you. What I'm going to teach you? I will teach you English. What are we going to learn? English. English Unit 4. Okay. You will learn with me? Good. Very good, students, MPPNs. Good. Keep it up. We are starting Unit 4. See what is there in Unit 4? What is the chapter's name? It is Sound of E. It is Sound of E. We will learn E sound. Okay, ready? Yes, good. The first sound E. E, we are going to join a letter with E. E plus N. E plus N equal to, when we join E and N, what we will get? En. E and N, En. Now we will make the words with En. Okay, first word is here. What is the first word? Look at the picture. Do you know what is this? You have seen this picture? Okay, what is this? It is DEN, den. What is this? DEN, den. Okay. Next picture. What is this? That you know. Hen. Very good. It is a hen. What is the spelling? HEN, hen. Speak up. HEN, hen. Now the next word. See the picture. What is this? This is the picture of men. It is not man because there are three standing. If one is there, we will say man. But if more than one is there, we will say men. It is men. Spelling MEN, men. Next one, EN sound. What is this? This is a pen. This is a pen. And spell the word pen. Wow, good attempt. It is PEN, pen. You have learned. Very good. I'm very happy. I will show you two more pictures. What are they? Have a look here. The first one. What is this? This is 10, 10. This is 10. And spell the word 10. TEN, 10. Fantastic answer. Very good. TEN, 10. Okay, the last picture. You don't know this. What is this? Do you know? It is a currency. Like India has rupee, it is a currency of a country. What is this known as? This is known as yen. YEN, yen. TEN, 10. YEN, yen. PEN, pen. MEN, men. HEN, hen. And DEN, den. Very good. Now we will learn some more E sounds, but they are not EN. They are something else. Let us see what are they. They are E plus T. E plus T is equal to ET. E plus T is equal to ET. So we are going to learn to make the words with E and T, ET, right? The first word. What is the first word? Have a look. Do you know what is this? This is a jet. This is a jet. What is the spelling of jet? JET, jet. What is the spelling? JET, jet. Second one. What is this? This is a net. Very good. This is a net. And spell the word net now. NET, net. Well done. NET, net. Next two pictures are here. What is this? It is sunset. What is this? Sunset. So what is the word we have to write? We will write set. S-E-T, set. What is the spelling of set? S-E-T, set. This is the last word. Okay. What is this? What is this? It is also a dog, but the dog is wet. Wet, W-E-T, wet. S-E-T, set, and W-E-T, wet. So what is the spelling of jet? J-E-T. Pet, P-E-T. What is the spelling of jet? J-E-T, jet. Then pet, P-E-T, pet. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. And met, M-E-T, met. Okay, now I will not show you any pictures, but I will show you some more words with this E sound. Are you ready to learn? Okay, so have a look here. What are those words? First of all, we will make the words with ED. E and D, ED. What are the words? Have a look. B-E-D, bed. What is B-E-D? Bed. Next one, F-E-D, fed. F-E-D, fed. Then L-E-D, led. R-E-D, read. And W-E-D, wed. Led, bed, fed, wed, and read. ED sound. Okay, A sound came here. E, if you write E, what will you pronounce it? A. Okay, next some more words we will see. What are they? They are with EG. We will learn E sound with G. And what are the words? B-E-G, B-E-G, beg. K-E-G, keg. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. And T-E-G, teg. Leg, beg, keg, teg, and peg. Next words. What are we going to learn now? E sound with N. En sound that we have already completed. Look here once more. What are the words? D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. And T-E-N, ten. Okay. Next. Now we will learn E and T. E and T, E-T, et sound, right? Okay, we have learned them. B-E-T, bet. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. S-E-T, set. And W-E-T, wet. Pet, bet, net, wet, set. Okay, I will teach you one more group of words. Okay, the last two group of words are here, and E sound with double L. E double L, E L L. Okay, E double L. What are the words? B E double L, bell. F E double L, fell. H E double L, hell. T E double L, tell. And W E double L, well. Well done, well. Okay. Hell, bell, fell, well, tell. Right? We have completed unit number 4. Okay, let us have a revision what we have learned now. We have learned the sound of E. We have learned the sound of E. What are the words which can be made with E? Hen, net, ten, leg, bell, lead, etc. These words can be made with E and the sound is A. Okay, we have completed the chapter. You obey your parents. I know, very good students you are. Keep it up and stay at home and take care of you. Bye.